हेलो बच्चों टुडे टॉपिक इज फ्री फॉल मोशन। फ्री फॉल मोशन as the name given, we can say if an object is falling freely, or we are saying that if an object is falling under gravity, then that motion is known as the free fall motion. Okay, so I am making here a simple diagram. This is the earth and an object of the mass m is falling freely on this earth. In the previous video, we studied about the universal law of the gravitation. That was stating that if the two masses on the earth try to attract each other. Okay. Now here we are considering mass of the earth is m and mass of the object is m. This earth mass will try to attract this mass towards the earth and this mass will try to attract the earth towards itself. So in this case, when earth attracts this mass towards itself, it will apply a force F which will be equal to the weight of the object. It means here the universal force of the attraction will be provided by the weight of the object falling on the earth. Okay, so here we are applying first universal law of the gravitation, then force applied by the earth on the object will be equal to the Gm upon r square. R is the distance between this mass and the earth. Okay, we are taking this mass of this mass at a distance r from the earth. So the force applied by the earth is equal to the Gm upon r square. This one is equation first. As I told you that this force of attraction will be provided by the weight of the object, or simply we can say that if we are standing on the earth, our weight will always work downward, and in the same manner we can say that we are attracting by the center of the mass of the earth. It means our weight is equal to the force of the attraction applied by the earth on us. So here we can say that this force will be equal to the mg. Okay, now you can cancel here value of the m from the m. So g is equal to the Gm upon r square. Similarly, you can say if we have the earth and radius of the earth is re and mass of the earth is given as the me, and the object is kept on the surface of the earth of mass m. So here we can say that this distance is re and we can find the value of the gravity here. Now instead of the r, we will put value r equals to re. Now if you put the value of the mass of the earth in the kg and value of the radius of the earth and value of the gravitational constant, then you will find that value of the g will be approximate equal to the 9.8 gram per centimeter square. Okay, okay बच्चों, thank you for watching this video.